Hello chaps, we've just arrived and I must say I'm impressed with this G-Wagon. Have you ever seen anything like this before? We've got the official Poppin Candy G Wagon in for an outside wash. We've only got 45 minutes to clean this car as they need to set off and give away all of these tasty snacks. Anyways chaps, enough of the sweets, let's get down to business. This car is covered in a hefty film of dirt. So I'll start this car wash with the wheels, spraying them with wheel cleaner and pressure washing them off. I now use different brushes to deep clean these wheels. So chaps, it's taking us 10 minutes for the wheels, now we're going to snow foam the car. Look at that super satisfying snow foam. Subscribe if you're enjoying this. This snow foam is left onto the car in order to emulsify that dirt before I pressure wash it off. What are your thoughts on this G-Wagon? Do you love it or do you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see the customer's insane reaction to this wash. I now hand wash this G-Wagon. Those cracks and gaps are also taken care of as I then move on to clean the lower portions of the car. So this chaps right here is how much time we have left. So let's get cracking. Let's rinse off the shampoo off this Candy G Wagon. So Poppin Candy is a famous online candy store who have over 8 million followers on TikTok. So be sure to check them out. I now dry the car. Trapped water is blasted out of these little gaps which G-Wagons have a lot of. The glass is given a crystal clear finish too. Time to add a protection and shine to the car, whilst also going over any imperfections. Okay chaps, we've just got 10 minutes left. All we need to do now is dry the door shuts and do the tyre shine. So let's get it finished. Hopefully we can get this job done in time, as the customer is currently on his way. The tyre shine is like the cherry on the cake, it completes the wash. That's already. I hope you have enjoyed the shine. Brand new again.
Thanks for working on it.
No problem, it's been a pleasure.
We've got a little something for you anyway.
Oh really?
Got two little sweet bags there.
Oh, you didn't have to, man. It means a lot. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Have a great Christmas.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
A big thank you to Poppin Candy. Definitely check them out if you're interested in some of the delicious candy. Anyways chaps, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you'd like.